What was it? What? I still missed that.
Spin the wheel before you set your computer up.
But now it's connecting while I'm... What's this?
Haha! This is barbecue sauce, which is something you're not going to like. Okay, well, actually...
We're approaching danger zone.
There's a Tiger Life.
You can give me all of the props.
This is the props. Nice.
Can I do the...
Set up your... Oh, you're ready. Okay, I'm going to...
Did you draw the next one?
Yes.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Giovanni Enricoloni, music on my desktop, Spotify sync wall.
Can I have...
Are you here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Oh, you can stay there if you like. You can stay there, fine.
Yeah.
Take it away.
Can we get the show starting?
Yes, it's started
Excellent.
already.
Alrighty, so this is as much as I can do. I'll wear the glasses, but I don't know the lingo. So let's write some elegant Python code. A couple of, yes, let's cooperate, please. This is a very basic take inter something calculator. Yeah, it's just a screenshot of the calculator. And I'll show you the source code that I found online for this calculator. And I don't think it looks that good, so let's refactor it together to make it much better. Okay? Can I get some enthusiasm, please? Thank you. What a bunch of amateurs. So what we'll do first is actually remove a couple of ridiculous lines, like can you see the... Yeah, so the keys assignment, I don't like it, let's just inline it. And also, why are we returning from a function if we're not using the return value? So let's get rid of those lines. Not too much happening yet, but don't worry. So this is when things get fun. As a thug myself, I don't like statements. Thank you for the laugh, I appreciate it. What I really like is expressions. So let's just get rid of all of the statements there. And we'll start with the assignments. Those, I can say that because it's being recorded, but you know what they are. So let's get rid of the assignments. Let's put assignment expressions in there, because they're my homies. And so what we'll do now is we'll actually see that 4 of the assignments survived. I cannot turn those 4, the disp thingies with the indexing, I cannot turn those into assignment expressions. Python won't let me for some reason. It will just complain. Again, I knew the word I wanted to use, but it's being recorded. I can do this. Just turn off the recording and I'll swear a lot. I can do that. So what we'll do is we'll find an auxiliary function that will do the assignment for me. So it's a very small, again, assignment expressions are cool. We don't like assignment statements. So an assignment expression that's actually going to do the assignment for us. And so we get rid of the assignments by using our helper update. There you go. Assignments no more. And now what we will do is actually realize that we're calling update 4 times inside the if, and what I'll do is I'll abstract away the fact that I always want to call update. The only thing I need to determine is what I need to put inside update. So the update comes out, and I get an arg in the middle. And now remember, what did I say about statements? Statements suck. So let's get rid of the if, elif, else statement. Let's put a huge conditional expression in there. Because why wouldn't you, right? So let's rewrite the whole thing. And this is looking so much better. I mean, you better believe me, otherwise we're going to have a problem outside. So, I like the quack, thank you. Now, what we're going to do next is, why am I wasting 6 lines of code when everything could be a single line? It doesn't fit on the screen, but it doesn't matter because you can't understand it either way. So what I can do next is zoom in, because there's always someone who can't see. And this is factual. Whenever I give a class, like the people at the back, they never see, and they're always the ones with glasses, so I don't know what's happening. Now, why would you use an import statement when there's this thing that looks so much better? Why are you laughing? I don't get it. So, what we're doing next is simplify. Have you heard of short circuiting? Yeah. That sucks. Let's use long circuiting, which is when you use ands and ors to concatenate a bunch of stuff together so that they happen all in sequence. Now, you have to be careful. You have to pick the correct one. But if you pick the correct one, it's perfect. Wait, what did I do? Ah, exactly. Sorry. So I applied the long circuiting to the BT draw. But there's still a def there, and def functions there. Thank you. So let's make that a lambda function, sorry. A lambda function now because it's a single expression, so I can do that again. You can't read the code, but it doesn't really matter. And now what we'll do is we'll use long circuiting again, long circuiting again to put everything together because these are expressions in different lines. Notice now this is important, please pay attention. You see how many closing parentheses are at the end of the file? How many?
1.
No, 1. Thank you, Luca. Come on. And in the beginning, there's 1 opening. So when I press next slide, or next... Thank you. Luca would say next slide, or something like that. Now I have 2 closing parentheses and 2 opening parentheses, so everything is 1 big expression. And I'm just stupid for having it across multiple lines, so I can just pack it neatly. And you can do this in Rust. I couldn't hear the comment, I'm sorry. But it looks, you can do this in Rust. So I think Python is superior. And this is all I had for you guys. Thank you.